Angelique and Katie. I'm doing you guys together in a critique. I love this collage element. It looks like tears. It looks like rain. I think the way you drew the woman is good too. There's a little bit of readability issues that you probably realize now that you're looking at it through a film. The hair and the feet just disappear. So you might want to put some highlights in the hair and then just lighten up the shoes. Otherwise, I thought this was sort of like a cool belt, and I think it's just because of the scale. And then also, like, this texture is kind of sharp, and these are a little bit blurry around the edges. So what you might want to do is there's several ways to approach this. You could lighten the background, and then those elements that sort of have disappeared will pop more. Or you could bring her closer to the viewer and then really define these gears. Like, get in there and spend a lot of time making sure they look sharp, and not as much of a belt. Does that make sense? Let me know if it doesn't. Okay, Katie, I'm not seeing a collage element here. I do think you've successfully created the organic farming idea with those hearts. That was a good idea because it was a challenge. A couple suggestions. First of all, you're supposed to do collage. I'm not sure where that is, so let me know what that is. And then consider using a similar line weight throughout so it looks a little more consistent. Or things that are closer are darker, so keep the line weight on the front elements, and then this thin line weight for the background pieces. Also, the tree, this little edge here catches my eye, so really look at a tree. And I'm wondering too, now that I look at these, did you draw this cow, or this pig, this cow, these things? If not, you want to resubmit, because for an illustration class, of course, you're supposed to draw it yourself. But they just look so different in this environment. It does make me wonder. This is like really well drawn and observed, and then the tree just looks like it's super quick. Okay? But anyway, I think you've got the concept down, so let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.